want to see them or you want to go in them?
Go in them.
Well, we got some broken ones here. This is a broken one.
One is broken.
Yeah, check that out. Broken.
That's out of service or order. You can see the cab view from the back and the wall, and you can see a rear door on the back.
Yeah.
And what kind the elevators are? Probably these are Dover, now modernized by Montgomery County.
Jeffrey, she does not understand that.
These doors kind of like one at Target, at the Fountain Lane Mall.
I'm not even sure about that one. Here, let's go into the safe.
We got number 18. This is car number 18. Oh, it's a Montgomery. Oh, actually, these are OTIS. Used to be OTIS, now modernized by Montgomery elevators, actually. These are traction too, right?
I still like to call him Otis just because I like that name better.
Because Jim loves OTIS. Here are 2.
Yeah.
All right, let's go back up to 6.
Here we go.
Door closed, fun works. I like that.
This one doesn't have a rear door, but
The middle one's completely broken. Your buttons, universal order style. There's your ADA compliant, and this what the capacity is 4,000 pounds.
all right. And that one right here is the only one that goes up to the helicopter pad. Yeah, you have to have a special key for that one though.
And remember, dedicated to YouTube, these are Jim Lee elevators. Jim Lee was born in 1997. All right. What's your name?
Allison. Yeah.
Hi, Allison.
Nice to meet you.
There's another one. These are actually Otis's, modernized by Montgomery. All right.
All done?
Yep.
Is that it?
Hey, give me a kiss.
You too, thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay.